peasants. What did you just call us? I can't wait to build my new mansion here. Wow.
Huh? Mansion?
Oh, you dropped your jaw, honey. Oh, keep your sign off my property.
This is my property.
Not anymore.
I guess it's hers. Oh,
It's not fair.
you said it, girl.
Clean it up.
I'm so hungry.
Now, what should I build here? Modern chic? No. That's not bad. Nope. Will you subscribe to help me decide? I'm gonna need professional help.
You rang?
Are you the highest paid engineer in town?
Of course! Would I be wearing gold if I wasn't?
You are hired. Here is the down payment.
Whoa!
I tip generously. I need it done ASAP.
So what am I working with?
Who turned off the lights? Whoa! Oh! Huh? It's just a box. This just gave me an idea. I can make a home out of this box. Look, I made it myself. Oh, you're ridiculous. My home is not gonna be that shabby. Quickly, over here.
Here you go.
Don't come any closer. Here.
Paying up front, I see. Nice doing business with you. I'll start right away. First, I need to lay the bricks down. Then, another layer on top until I build a wall.
Perfect.
Oh, picket.
Ooh,
It's done.
not bad. Now, go.
Ooh, honey, a cupboard would be this heavy. Huh? What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. A roll of tape will do the trick. Watch me build a house with just tape and a dream.
And that's the last one.
Yeah. Huh? That's it? That is so ugly. You are fired. It is so brown. It needs a sprinkle of gold. I'll grate coin all over the bricks. See that? That's the color we want. A splash of rich gold glitter. Wow! It is finally perfect. But one more thing. The roof needs to be gold, too. I'll dip the roller into the paint. Then, I'll roll it all over the roof. And there you have it! My very own golden house. What does it even mean?
It's upside down.
Thanks, I get it now. Now let's see if I can flip this house. Then I'll add a tire here and one on the other side. Awesome! Whoa! Oh, isn't that a bit too much?
Over here. Just put it right over this house. Here is something for your work. Oops. Do you take checks?
Whoa! Wow, a golden bar? I know what to do with you. It can hold up my home for a couple of inches. Home sweet home. Well, I better get right to work. I'll lay the gold bars side by side. Then I'll roll a pin over it to make a shingle. I'll do it a couple of times and voila! A roof made of gold. Classy, isn't it? I'm so excited to decorate. Oh. Huh? No, you don't. Are you kidding me? Stop it! Stay down. Whew. Yeah! That does it! You're gonna stay down whether you like it or not. That's what you get for making a house out of cardboard. I'll add a window so I don't miss that golden hour.
Hey, I want a window too. I want the fences home,
on my way.
and I want it now. Oh well, any ideas?
A couple.
I just want it expensive.
Say no more. What color do you want for the walls?
Oh, how exciting! They're all so nice, but my heart says only one thing. Pink!
Great choice.
It's perfect! You can just feel how expensive it is.
Only the best materials for you. I can't finish up here without a window. You know what? Make that 2. What do you think?
It's just what I wanted. Bravo! Here is your payment.
Whoa! This can feed me for life.
Bye!
I won't stay put. You leave me no choice.
No! Here, take my money! Take it all!
Now let's put windows on this thing. Oh, it's gorgeous.
You know what this house is missing? Lights! I'll stick a LED strip below the roof. Pink lights are the way to go.
Haha! Did somebody say lights?
Turn it on! Somebody!
Can't even turn the lights on yourself?
Oh, great! I should call the gardener. Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, come here.
You need plants together? Here's some rare golden palms, all the way from the Amazon.
Wow! Awesome! I'll pay you a generous amount for them. Put it on the card.
Oh, payment accepted. Till next time.
It's all coming together.
Gold plants? She has everything! Maybe I can plant my own. Ew! That's disgusting! Hey, you are used to dirt, right? Can you put soil in the pots?
Oh, sure. I'll take a handful and drop them in. Your plants are gonna be thriving.
You can go now.
Hug?
At least clean your hands first.
Oh, I like them dirty. You did not have to do that.
Go be dirty somewhere else. Time to get to work. I may not have gold plants, but I have the prettiest flowers on the block. And that's better than gold. Now all I have to do is put them all around the house. My house is ready for visitors. Huh? What?
I want plants too. Good thing I can DIY my way through anything. I'll put a sponge in this box. Then I'll stick these cardboard flowers in it. It's looking more like a garden, isn't it? Wow! This seems like a good spot. All done, but I know what is missing. I lay a cardboard flat. Then I'll draw a bulb on it using a pen. Now I'll color it with a permanent marker, and voila! We have a bulb. But one is not enough for me. I have to make them in different colors. That way, my tiny home will be colorful. It's beautiful. Check this out.
I know what we're missing. A fence. Nothing beats a good old white picket fence. It's gonna look so good with the roses. Now, this is what I call a home.
She probably will notice if I take a piece. I'll give it back before she knows it. All I need to do is trace it on the cupboard. And we're done with phase 1. Thanks! That turned out pretty well. You can't even tell the difference. Pretty cute, huh?
You mean pretty awful. Thanks for showing me what not to do. Oh,
You want a fence, madam?
gold. Install it.
As you wish. That'll be 10 grand.
Do you take gold?
Boy, do I?
Just take it.
All right, no take backs.
Bye.
Hey! Ah! This isn't a dome, you know? Oh, you're not gonna survive this, mister. Yeah! These guys make a great pathway. I love it.
Genius. But I want my pathway to be gold. I'll sprinkle some gold magic dust on the path, and a golden pathway will appear. Great job! How about a test run? Oh, it's not perfect.
Now's my chance. She won't know a thing. I gotta work fast if I want that expensive pathway too. Please, magic dust, work for me. It created a money pathway. It is everything I've ever dreamed of. Thank you.
I've got to fix that. Where is the tree? My dad's gonna be so mad.
Oh, poor girl. I have to help her. 911?
Whoops, the tree.
I didn't do anything.
It's what so? Well, see about that.
Yeah, you are not gonna find anything there.
What about you? You better not be hiding anything in here. The tree.
Here you go.
Your tree, madam.
Thank you.
As for you, you'll be fined $1,000. Pay up.
It's not fair. $1,000? Is this a joke?
Whew, the weather is unbearable. I wish I had AC in here, but all I got are these sunnies. Now that's what I'm talking about. So, do you want to learn more study hacks? Then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Time for my daily dose of vitamin D. And how about I have fun in a ball pit while I'm at it? But first, sunbathing.
Wow, don't mind if I do.
Woohoo! What the? Get out of my pool! This is insane!
Why, you little… Whoa!
Please sign this!
Aw, sure.
Can we get a selfie? Over here! Quiet!
Sure, I'll sign this for you. Oh, wow, thank you.
I'm watching you.
Whatever. I'll give you something to watch. La 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 la, I'm working late 'cause I'm a singer.
What's going on?
La 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 la. You got something to say,
keep
Blondie?
it down. Nobody wants to hear you sing.
Well, tough luck, Grandma.
What seems to be the problem? Officer, she's trespassing on my property.
I'd take a closer look if I were you.
Looking good so far. Fake? You were arrested for falsifying documents.
Oops, you got me. This is gold.
You were going away for a long time.
Yes, dear, your new home is waiting for you.
Wow, awesome. Is it real or am I dreaming? Well, looks like not. This place is huge, and there's so much to do here. I need some help. Dear, I really need your help here.
Really? I'm coming. Sorry, babe. Hi. So what is it?
This bedroom, see? I can't live in a place like this. It needs some renovation. Could you help, please?
I mean, sure. No problem. Let's do it. First, we need to remove all this mess.
Right you are. We don't need it anymore.
Good job.
This is so exciting. And now what?
Just like I said, remove everything. Come on, take it outside. Whew. The hardest part is behind now. So let the fun begin.
So it's painting? Awesome.
Yep. But come here first, beautiful. There's one thing I wanted to tell you for so long already.
Huh?
Just kidding. Give me that. I have an idea. Please don't move. It won't take long. Done. Oh, you look beautiful.
Thanks, that's so nice of you.
And one more detail. Here it is.
I also have an idea.
Oh my.
This is hilarious. Oh, look at your face.
And how about this then?
Oh, silly boy.
That was fun. But shall we continue?
Sure, go on.
Good. Now here we go. So, how do you like it now?
It's great, but now we need some furniture.
Oops.
Oh my gosh. So expensive.
But this one looks good.
Yeah, this will go perfectly.
Whoa, let's order it. Thank you. Got it.
Perfect. Now take a look. This will go here. And we need one more to make it a nice bed foundation.
Don't forget about this.
Oh, cool, thanks, man. We could use it too. Layer by layer, we will cover it all up. And now the major part, or rather to say parts.
Amazing! But there's one more thing here. Actually, that's what we've bought these beauties for. We just need to cover them up and stick them very closely together. Just like this. Now let's check it. Fabulous. But it's getting cold here.
Don't worry, dear. This will warm you up.
Oh, thank you. But I have a much better idea. Isn't it wonderful?
Yeah, nice and cozy. And you know, very romantic too.
Oh, who might it be? Lights, please!
Your package, ma'am.
Oh, this one is heavy. Thanks.
Huh? A package?
Yep, and there's something very big in it. What? What is this thing doing here?
Oh, that's my delivery. I must have forgotten about it. It's for a chair. Now put it there, please.
Sure, like this?
Yeah, and now we'll cover it up.
It looks so beautiful, especially with this.
Come on, have a seat.
Wow, so nice.
I knew you would love it, but it's just the beginning.
I already love this bedroom.
No, there's still so many things to do. For instance, this, take a look. Oops, sorry. Here, it may look boring now, but who told we couldn't change it to a much brighter design, huh? And it's real easy. Stick it first, paint it after.
Cool, you're a genius.
I've seen it on YouTube once. You're gonna love it, I promise. Now take it off. Splendid.
And so colorful, wow! Magnificent. Looks like you've outdone yourself here.
Yes, dear, and now we need to finish it with some pictures on the walls. So lovely. Wait, what?
I need a wardrobe.
For this? No problem, it's also very simple. And all the necessary materials you already have here. Now check this out! Ta-da!
Fantastic. Now I can put all my clothes on it. You're my hero.
Oh, you've really made my day. Wow, I need to put it in my diary. So where were we? Oh, my sweetheart.
Oh, all right. I will finish it myself then. Hey, but there's nowhere to put all these books. Oh no. Yet maybe these might help. Yeah, only we need to color them up first. Yellow truly will be the best choice here. Now come here, my sweeties. Excellent.
Wait, what? Whoa, amazing! Only I would do it a bit differently. Like this. Now it's so much more convenient, isn't it? So, you like it?
Ah, nice. But we need some shades too.
Whoa, are you sure? Maybe it's better for me to do it? Gotcha. Careful, you might hurt yourself.
Ah, thank you. What would I do without you?
Oh my, she kissed me.
Thank you so much for coming and helping me. That was so great of you. Bye. Perfect. Now all is done.
Wait a minute. Oh no, she doesn't need me anymore.
Home sweet home. This is the best design I've ever had in my life. I must admit, he's a really talented guy. This time you've got very lucky, girl. Enjoy it. Aww. But what is it? A book? Strange. Oh no, it's his diary. Gosh, how could I do this to him? How could I let him go? Wait.